To create subject line content using AI, go to your campaign and enter a subject line in your message. Click on the AI icon next to the subject line to open the editor. There you can then use AI to rephrase, shorten, expand, or translate your previous input. In the settings, you can choose from 4 languages in translation mode and select the language style for rephrasing, shortening, or expanding. You can then conveniently generate alternative suggestions for your subject line. Select your favorite from the suggestions and use it as the subject line. Alternatively, you can customize your settings and have any new suggestions generated. If necessary, the adopted subject line can be edited manually later. Finally, save your entry.